guys, it's Jenna. I just want to show you around some of the new features on the eDesign platform. So this is something that we just added with the release of eDesign U Campus, and it is a new way for us to organize all of the training and help support and to move the conversation off of Facebook and put it into an e-lounge forum, which is where you can connect with the designer render support team and also with each other, again, off of Facebook, so we can stop that mindless scrolling. So what we have here is going to be two different dashboards. Okay, I understand that this could get potentially a little confusing. It is what it is, to be honest, because I want to pack as much helpful training information and in the most streamlined way possible. And for us to be able to do that on the main eDesign platform dashboard, it just wasn't feasible to be able to put, the 50, 100 training videos that we have all right here and keep it organized and searchable. So what we have here is the main dashboard, as you probably know if you are an existing member here, and not a lot has changed, okay? So a few things have been removed and put in the other dashboard in a more organized manner. So what you're going to see here is the render program no longer has the render tutorials below it because we have quite the library in the other program. So when you click render, it's just going to take you over to the rendering program as it did before. Right here, tap this, and then you'll be able to get right in if you have a pop-up blocker like I do. So if that's the case, then you can just access it very quickly. And then the bill of material import is still here, designer settings are still here, same with affiliates and whatnot. Now, when we get to the training and tutorials, I no longer have them listed on this page because, again, they're very robust in the way that we have them set up, and this will take you over to Kartra. This new option here will take you over to the eLounge forum. Now, I do want to point out, since we did remove, the training videos from this location, we also removed the direct support, where if you are experiencing some kind of a render issue or what you might think is a bug with the program and you need to speak with the developers, we just relocated that and streamlined the process. So that's no longer here. You will see it when we move over to the other dashboard. So the eLounge forum is where you can now find the conversation, ask questions directly with the rendering team, and connect with each other, okay? So the only thing here is we weren't able to do just one sign-on because this platform is so unique and it's getting more and more robust every single day. We're doing our best to streamline the logins, but give you all of the tools in the best way possible. Now with that, because we did add on a couple of things from when I originally created this platform, we have a couple of different sign-ons that you're going to have to use, but only one time. Okay, so I do apologize for that, but it is, trust me, it's going to be worth it when you get to the other side, okay? So when you click on this new render training, we do give you a little message that says, yes, we will be moving over to the other location. You will already be added here if you've signed up for the platform. So you can go ahead and access it now, and you'll find this dashboard, okay? So on this dashboard, you can click render right here and it'll take you right back over to the rendering program. Now, if you do find that you didn't log in this area or you logged in the main portal, you can do it either way, okay? It's just one or the other. You might, the first time you log in, have to do a different login email for either Kartra or for the platform. Either way, use the same email and create a password if you've never logged in before, and then just stay logged in on your computer. It'll let you just keep going back and forth every time, okay? So that should just be one time that you have to do that. Now, the Design in 5 program, which is the program that allows you to create the shoppable boards from your renders or from the main dashboard, that just links you over to the main dashboard as it sits before. Okay, so this, and of course I'm logged out, hello. So when you do this, it goes right over to the main dashboard. Okay, so this here is where you will find affiliate products, things that you can create and generate into shopping lists, all of those things. You can click this link right here, it'll take you right over to that, okay? If you want to learn how that whole program works, how to sign up for our 10% affiliate commission with the eShop, and how to enter your code into the Designify program, you'll find all those videos for training right here, along with a few extra little tidbits of how you can use your own products in this program and how you embed as a featured member. You can embed your shopping list right into your website, and how you share your boards just generally as a light or featured member. So, since the conversation has been moved off of Facebook and into our own private, super cool forum called the eLounge, there are a few things that you should know. Number one, if you want to access this eLounge, you can simply click there and it'll take you right over. Again, if you've never logged in here before, you will just have to create a account using the same email, okay, and then create a password and then just stay logged in. It'll keep you there. But we have to know who you are, and unfortunately, to be able to get this super awesome forum that does some really cool things, we weren't able to have the two programs speak to each other in the way that we wanted them to with a single sign-on. So you just have to create that one email or create your login that one time, then come on over here and tell us about yourself. Go ahead and edit your profile, so that we can connect with you. You can even add, your own account settings, so you know, and you can set when you're going to be getting alerts for any messages, events, anything happening here on the forum, okay? So there is a video for this for training. Please follow that training video. And when you want to access the eDesign platform, you can come over here and you can type in, the first time you come, you're going to have to type in your the password to unlock it. Okay, so from the main page, we have eDesign U, which is also password protected. For the eDesign platform, the password is render with a capital R, and then you can come over here and start posting or create your own new topic within that forum. Okay, this one here is the general forum, so please come on over and introduce yourself so we can get to know you. So here's the training information for that, the eLounge, how it works video. There's even internal chat. You can message each other. Very, very cool. If you want to connect with a 3D modeler, Sarah Janae has her certified modeler program. So we have a list of modelers that you can connect with if you need any custom pieces for your renders. So go ahead and search for them here. If you want to tour the whole campus, here is a little demo on how to do that, and click here to tour the campus. Now, let's get into how to use this. So how to use the forum, all the information for getting you started is right here. How to use Design in 5, all these videos are right here. And then we have things sorted out so that you can quickly find videos and kind of match your level of, maybe you're just starting out with rendering. Here's how to get started. So starting with the basics of drawing a floor plan and whatnot. So if you are in need of render support, we do offer render support for our members within, general capacity. So if you just need something that we can help you with as far as building something that we don't already have a video for, we would love to help you with that and even create a video for others to learn how to do it in the future. So if you need assistance, go ahead and come on over here to render support. Now, we do not provide support on the platform for other programs. So if you are using SketchUp, or if you're using Chief Architect 2020, any of the other programs and integrating, you will have to go through all courses and learn how to integrate the programs with the external add-on courses. We do not teach that here. That is not included in your membership. However, our render support team will generally help you with questions here or there, but to learn how to integrate other programs or learn how to 3D model, you do have to learn through the courses. That's not included in your membership. But anything home rendering training related, we are here for you. Now, if you're having an issue with the rendering program and you think that maybe there's a bug with your account, maybe something is just like not right, then please come over here and submit a ticket. This is replacing the Trello help desk, okay? So this will be directly sent over to the rendering team, the developer rendering team in China, and they will email you directly back with rendering support. So this just helps you learn the information that we need in order to better assist you, okay? So please follow that information. If you're having weird account issues with your renders only, not anything else on the platform, please let us know here. Okay, so then we get into intermediate training right here. And then right here we have certified modelers. If you need one-on-one mentoring, Annalie and Lauren are available for that. Their hourly rates are listed. It's locked in this video. I'm gonna unlock it here in a second. If you have any other questions for the rendering team, you can come here and contact the team. Here we all are. We're a small team. We get back to you Monday through Friday within 24 to 48 hours via email. Okay. So, heading back, I just did not open a new window, so we'll just click back one. Templates and badges, so if you would like to add this to the bottom of your website, you can download it here. This one is white E, and you can add those to your site if you'd like to show off that you're a member of the eDesign platform. If you'd like to use our measuring guide, you can access it here. And if you click it, it'll take you over to Canva, and you can edit it with your own branding and make it your own. Right here, we have client onboarding questions, so another template for you to better assist you as you're creating this. And you can click it. Now, if you send it off to a potential client or something, they can't fill it out in Canva, but you can edit it in Canva. If you want more information on how to do the onboarding for your eDesign business, please check out eDesign 101 or 201, where I review how I collaborate with clients and use my own website, which is called Self-Hosted eDesign. And I also include my template that I use in Typeform and how to create that and embed it into your website. Now for featured designers, we have the application and profile. So if you are starting out as a light member and you're ready to unlock the additional features of the platform or also to get in the directory, this is where you would do that. It is $10 more a month, but you do get a lot more exposure. You're included in our featured member directory here. You also get to take part in the designer matchmaking survey, which is consumer facing on the eDesign Tribe website and helps consumers to find you, learn more about you and your services by connecting you through this really fun little quiz that we have on the front end of our site. You can also submit a shop the look board. We will be creating this in the front end of our website, and this is going to be a great added way for you to gain more exposure on the eDesign Tribe site. So that's coming later this fall once we start to get more submissions. That replaced the blog features, but we will still be featuring in rotation all of our featured designers that are active on the platform through our blog. So you can go check out that on eDesignTribe.com, go to the blog section. If you want to be featured on Instagram and you're a featured member, you can submit your 4K high quality renders right here, and we do these in a rotation Monday through Friday, and we are selective so that we stay on brand. You can continuously submit as you generate more 4K high quality renders. You can always come here and submit as a featured member. Okay. Now, lastly, if you come here to your profile, you can set that up. If you want to search for things within this database right here, you can do that by using this, which will link you to the sitemap. Okay, so here's the sitemap. You can see all of the things, all of the videos, all in one spot. And there's one last helpful tool, and that is the support right here. This support ticket help desk area has 83 articles on the rendering program. You can type in anything, well, not that. You can type in searchable things and see what is in in um, in this area for support. Okay, we are still building this out. So if you see something that needs a link, we are just finishing that up here with the launch of the eDesign U Campus, and so we will continuously be adding to this. Okay, so as you're asking questions in the eShop forum, or sorry, in the eLounge forum, then we will come back here and we're just going to add them as they come through. Okay, so that hopefully they can help other people. But this is a great place for you, maybe 3 a.m., you have a question about where to find something, come right here, okay? If you have tickets that you've submitted to us, you might see them there. If you need additional support, we can get back to you Monday through Friday within 24 to 48 hours, and this is where you can submit that. Now, if you are experiencing what you think might be a bug or an issue with the rendering program, this is not the place to do that. This is for anything else on the platform that you might have a issue with. If you want to cancel your account, you can submit here. Again, we will respond to you within 24 to 48 hours, Monday through Friday. The eDesign Tribe team strives very hard to spend time with our family on the weekends, because if we're not doing that, then what are we doing this for, right? So that is our utmost goal, and to ensure that all of your questions are answered as quickly and as efficiently as possible. We've given you all of these awesome new tools, and we hope that you come over and utilize them. So between the two new dashboards and the eLounge, this will only get bigger, it will only get more robust, and we are so excited to have you here with us on the platform using these incredible cutting edge tools. There's a lot in store for 2021, so if you're not already enrolled, go check out the eDesign U courses and hone in on some of those skills that are going to elevate your presentations to the next level. Thank you.